Welcome back to my channel. Again, Coach Annalie with you. Sa mga bago po sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below para manonotify po kayo pag may bago po akong video. For today's tutorial, ay tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po tayo mag-login as a dealer sa ating TPC web account. At hindi lang po yan, matutunan nyo rin po kung paano po tayo mag-change ng ating password sa ating TPC account. Since this is your first time to log in, first you have to install the Google Authenticator App sa mobile nyo. For Android, install it from Play Store, and for those who are using Apple, just simply from App Store. We need this app to access our web account at sinadya po ito to ensure na safe po yung ating TPC dealer account kasi meron po itong QR code. So after na-install na yung Google Authenticator sa phone nyo, next step, open browser on your phone. So, kahit anong browser ang gagamitin nyo po, pwede po. But on my side, gagamitin ko ay Google Chrome. Then, just open the browser that you will use. For me, I'm using Chrome, as I said. Then, type tpcph.com. Then, click the tpcph.com or Telepreneur members login. Since this is your first time, directly click here, forgot the password, then enter your dealer mobile number, then check the box I'm not a robot to have the CAPTCHA, and then just follow the instruction. In this case, I have the traffic lights, so I have to check all the traffic lights. Click next, and I got the crosswalks, so check all the crosswalks again. Then down you will find the verify, so just click the verify, then click submit. And TPC will send you one-time PIN or OTP, so please check your inbox of your dealer number. So now this is your temporary PIN number or password for you to log into your account. So let's go back to Telepreneur members login. Then enter your mobile dealer number. Next, enter the password, your one-time PIN that you receive from SMS. Kailanganin ang ating Google Authenticator. This is not my first time to log in, kaya ganito po ang lumalabas. But, kung first time mo pa, makikita mo dito ang QR code, then you will receive text message ulit from TPC for your 16-digit QR code. So, dapat i-keep nyo yung 16-digit code for the security of your account. So, now dito natin kakailanganin yung ating Google Authenticator. So, i-open lang po natin, then get started. For me, ang gagamitin ko is enter set app key. So, enter ko dito yung 16-digit code na sinend ni TPC as your key to access to your account. Just enter your dealer name here, yung naka-record po sa TPC. Then, enter your key. Yun yung po yung 16-digit code na sinend ng TPC. Then, click add. Then, ganito po ang makikita nyo. May 6-digit code na i-generate si Google Authenticator. Then, take note nyo lang po ito or i-memorize nyo. Then, dapat ma-enter nyo na po ito doon sa TPC website to verify your account before ma-expire yung code. May time limit lang po siya. Once expired na yung timer, mag-generate siya na ulit niya ng bagong code. Or much better kung yung bagong code ang gagamitin mo na agad pwede rin. Then ganito po ang ating makikita sa ating dashboard. Then yung profile po, dyan natin makikita yung ating change password. Kung mag-change po tayo ng password. So kung mag-change po tayo ng password, just click profile, change password, and then you have to enter the old password, which is the temporary pin that you just received. And then enter the new password, and then retype again the new password, and click the box for the captcha code again. Then click submit. Then we can check here also our network, kung sino yung mga nasa ilalim po natin, kung sino yung mga naipasok natin ng mga dealer, or kahit po yung hindi tayo ang nagpasok, madedetect pa rin po natin dyan. Pasensya na po sa mga nagpa-pop up na message. That's all for today, coaches. Sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa aking video. Sana marunong na kayo mag-login sa inyong TPC web account, especially po doon sa mga under sa team ko na hindi pa nakakapag-login. Sana po i-apply nyo na po ito. Try nyo po itong gamitin na strategy or yung way po ng pag-login para makapag-login na po kayo sa inyong web account. Iba pa rin po talaga kung makakapag-login po tayo. At sana dun sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-change ng password, sana din po ayun na-gets nyo na po kung paano po mag-change ng password ng ating TPC web account. So, thank you so much. At see you next time po sa next video ko. Bye-bye for now. By the way, be my retailer and my dealer. Nandiyan na po nakapop up sa screen ko kung ano-ano po yung mga different prices as a retailer at different options din po as a dealer. So, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, coaches. Bye-bye.